I'm going to be preparing grilled octopus. So this is a Spanish octopus, whole Spanish octopus. So what we need to do is we're going to boil it, just in plain water, not even any salt in the water. So we're just going to put it in and simmer it for about 45 minutes. And when it's done, you don't want to take it out of the water. You leave it in the water and let it cool in the water itself. And that'll tenderize it also. When it's done, after 45 minutes, and it's cooled down for another hour or so, it'll be this. So at this point, you want to just break it down into manageable parts so you can grill it. So I'm just going to cut it in half. And the octopus has like a little beak in the middle. You want to take that out because that's not edible. And then we're going to break it down further. So each portion is going to be a leg and a piece of the head. So I'm going to first dress it up a little bit. We're going to put it in a frying pan. We're going to put a little olive oil, salt, pepper, a squeeze of lemon. Move it around a little bit. And we're going to put this right on under the broiler or on a grill. If you have an outdoor grill, you can put it right on the outdoor grill, right on the grates. Now to accompany the grilled octopus, I like to put fingerling potatoes, which I have already roasted off. I'm going to put that in the pan. I have butter beans, which are like large white beans. I'm going to put that in the pan. I'm going to drizzle it with a little olive oil. Season it with a little salt and pepper. And this is going to go in the oven. Okay, so the octopus is grilled. It's nice and brown and the edges are nice and crispy. So what we're going to do is just going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to add this to the potatoes and the butter beans. We're going to take lemon. Going to squeeze some lemon. A little more salt, pepper, parsley, some fresh basil. Just going to tear up the leaves. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. I have some pesto sauce. I'm going to put a spoon of pesto sauce. And I have some extra virgin olive oil. For this, whenever I like finishing a dish, I want to use really good olive oil. So this is extra virgin from a single olive grove. So I'm just going to drizzle that. Mix it all together. And we're going to plate it. Grilled octopus with pesto, butter beans, and fingerling potatoes.